Hey guys, today we're checking out a 2021 Harley Davidson Softail Standard in Vivid Black. So this has the nice tall fairing and windshield. Also has taller bars, hand guards, makes commuting really nice wind deflection for your face and for your hands. We also have this really loud exhaust. Not sure what it is, but it sounds really good. Of course, the saddleman seat, extremely comfortable. We have passenger pegs as well as rider pegs. And we also have the smoked out turn signal lenses in the front. Again, this is a 2021 Harley Davidson Softail Standard. Come check it out. We're open for test rides 6 days a week.